In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images on Slack. If you want to share a screenshot, a photo, or any visual file with your team, Slack makes that process quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to upload an image from your computer into a Slack channel so it's ready for others to view right away. To begin, open Slack and go to the channel where you want the image to appear. This is important because the image will be uploaded directly into whichever conversation or channel you currently have open. So before you continue, just make sure you're in the right place. Once you're inside the correct channel, look near the message field and click the plus icon. This button opens the attachment and sharing options for that conversation. It's the starting point for adding files, including images from your device. After clicking the plus icon, select the option that says Upload from your computer. This tells Slack that you want to browse files saved locally on your machine, rather than pulling something in from another source. When you click it, your file browser will open automatically. Now choose your image. Navigate to the folder where the image is stored, click on the file you want to upload, and confirm your selection. If you're working with screenshots or downloaded images, it can help to have the file saved somewhere easy to find before you start. That makes the process faster and avoids uploading the wrong file by mistake. Once the image has been selected, Slack will prepare it for sharing in the channel. At this point, you'll see the option to send it. Go ahead and click Send Now. As soon as you do, the image will be posted in the channel for everyone with access to that conversation to see. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded an image on Slack. As a quick tip, always double check that you're posting in the correct channel before sending, especially if the image is meant for a specific team or project. It's also a good idea to confirm that the image is the final version you want to share, since once it's posted, others may view or respond to it immediately. That's the full process for uploading images on Slack. Open the right channel, click the plus icon, choose Upload from your computer, select your image, and click Send Now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.